Hello, my name is Amy McLeod, and today I will be reviewing the paper titled "To Lose Both Would Look Like Carelessness, Tasmanian Devil Facial Tumor Disease." The authors of this paper are Hamish McCullen and Mena Jones. This paper will discuss how to manage an emerging disease using the case study of the Tasmanian Devil Facial Tumor, which I will call TDFT for short. TDFT is the growth of large tumours on the faces of Tasmanian devils, Sacrophilus harrisis, as shown in this image here. It is transferred from one devil to the other through biting. This usually results in death within a couple of months. Sightings of TDFT have been seen photographed in 1996 in northern Tasmania, as shown by this map. By 2005, TDFT had spread to more than half the population of Tasmanian devils. This increased concerns that the disease could cause the extinction of the species. McCallum and Jones used TDFT as an example of an emerging disease that poses serious conservational threats when little information is known, in order to outline a sequence of actions which should be taken in order to prevent the extinction of the animal. The first step is to determine the severity of the disease and most likely outcome if no action is taken. For TDFT, if no action were to be taken, this would result in the extinction of the species. Ongoing monitoring is required for the situation in order to determine possible outcomes. If action is required, the second step is to establish disease-free populations which can be easily isolated from infection. This will ensure a fail-safe for the survival of the species free from contamination. Next, an assessment should be taken in order to determine the extent of the infection and to discover which methods should be used to eliminate the disease. These methods include isolation, medication, and culling. The methods used are dependent on aspects such as species density, which is obtained through field data collection. As you can see in this decision-making tree, the importance of managing an emerging wildlife disease, in particular TDFT, is paramount. The final point addressed by the decision-making tree is the long-term effects associated with the methods used and the prognosis of the species' survival. Political and ethical factors also have to be taken into consideration for determining what actions are to be used when selecting decisions. I hope this has given you an insight into McCallum's and Jones' methods in determining how to eliminate emerging wildlife disease threats.